ceiling fan running with colored lights on. Because these are the same bolts that are normally in my ceiling fan. Same thing ones are just, these are smart bolts so I can change the color. So here it is on low. Yes, I have changed my room. It's a bit different than you're used to. Medium. If you're wondering, this green chain is just tape there. It's a decoration, so there's no, so it doesn't do anything. It's just a decoration. It feels, I can feel some of the breeze from it. Here, a little noise like this. Whole escaping the motor. Hear that noise? It's hurting that scraping the motor on it. Gonna put the high. Warning, wobble. This fan has a crazy wobble to it. It clicks too, so don't keep it off for too long. And off. This is spin down.
Yes, we are good. We are good to go, guys. Well, let's go ahead and copy this. Bang, boom, and jump over to Xbox here.
You know that noise in the background? That's just my TV. I'm watching Minecraft. Well, I'm pretty sure the fans here are Hunter bath and dressing room. Just that mode just looks too identical like a bath and dressing room motor. Just the blades and the light kit is not original to the fan. They match the fan pretty well, but it's not original to it. But this light kit here. No, where did this light kit come from? Cause it matched the fan pretty well. So it stopped and it stopped. This light, it matched the fan pretty well, but I don't think it's original to it. I'm not sure where this light kit came with the fan now. What are these blades? These blades are, because the Hunter half in dressing room ceiling fan, the blades are like a lot shorter than this. It's like long. They're longer than the Hunter bathroom dressing room normally. And this light kit is not. But I know it's a Hunter bathroom. You can see the Hunter logo on it, so it's a Hunter. There's all the other fans in my room. If they normally cool off my Roku stick because it overheats it. It's a bit hot, but let's see the heck, like a physical and non-physical in the screen. It says your Roku is overheating. And have this thing above it just for decoration. Also have that thing above that. And I recently put up a pinwheel outside my window. It's nighttime, so you can't really see it, but you kind of see it there. I put that there so I can blow in the wind. Yeah.
Yes, of course we do. We can see what's going on, you guys.
And there's also this tablet up here.
Don't have access.
It's my old tablet from the old no.
Yes.
This is my old tablet, and this is my old computer. I can't find the charger to it.
Okay,
Oh,
follow me out.
just needs again.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
That's my ceiling fan running with those colored light bulbs. I got the primary colors, which are red, blue, and green. But if you want to see my ceiling fan running with 3 other colors, I might do like yellow, orange, and purple, or like yellow, orange, or purple. But now I just got the main primary. I think the primary colors and secondary colors.
No, I don't need help, but you know what, guys? We have to get him to think that.
The video's only 5 minutes long, so I'm just going to end it here. Have a nice day.